Kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Hit the like and subscribe because it is free. Yeah, it's free. What it do, Jazzaboos? Welcome back to my channel. Jackie and JAZZETS here. And if you are new to my channel, hey, kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Hit the like and subscribe because it is free. Yeah, it's free. And if you're already a subscriber and you've been rocking with me, then you already know what it is. Since I've reached my 1K goal, of course my account got unlocked and I can post on the community now. So did my first poll asking what kind of video you wanted, and you said tutorial. So I'm doing a tutorial today. I asked if you wanted an informative or tutorial. So this is pretty much both. Hey, so whoever, you know, the ones that polled and said they wanted an informative, hey, you got an informative, and if you wanted a tutorial, you got a tutorial. So everybody's happy. Everybody's happy. So let's get it. We're gonna be doing how to package your base if you sell wholesale lip base or whatever. Maybe you putting something else in there, but I'm gonna show you how to properly weigh it, because I've gotten gypped, and I know if I got gypped, it's a whole lot of other people got gypped too, because obviously some people do not know how to package the product and how that thing is supposed to go. Okay, so before we get into this, and this business shout out is going to Pizzazz. Okay, her business was called Pizzazz Jewelry and Design if you've ever shopped before, but she switched it and now it's actually Pizzazz. Is it just Pizzazz? I think it's just Pizzazz. I'm used to design, but anyway, I already know how to find her, so I ain't gotta know all that. But this is how her card looks, and I'll tag her somewhere. Where is this gonna go? Anyway, somewhere right this corner or that corner. Hey, I get confused, okay? Let me live. If this wasn't enough, this was to get my attention, or anybody's attention. This is the bag that it came in. But when I saw this little bag here, how cute is this? This is so cute, and this is her business theme with the zebra and the pink. But this is so cute, and I have in here, this one I won this oil, but it smells so good. Oh my gosh, it's infused with roses, and it's lavender, peppermint and lavender, and it smells so good. But it came in this little baggie, and I have some shea butter. This one is lemon scented, and it has a little decals. Okay, now let me see. Yeah, it has little decals in there, the lemon decals. And I have one little one that's sandalwood. Oh my goodness, because I don't like sweet scents. But this one right here is sandalwood too. But I've been using the little one. I use a little bit of this one. It smells so earthy. And this is the raw shea butter. But anyway, y'all can go ahead and check her out. You know, like you have some of these customers, potential customers that say, okay, I'm going to get this or whatever, and they don't ever get what they said they was going to get. But she is like, if she says she's going to get something, she goes and get it. Like integrity or whatever. But she's an awesome person as well as a businesswoman. So go and check her out. So let's get back to this. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the container on after I've let it beep to the zeros, and as you can see, it's 0.8. So when I put in my Versa Gel base, which I use my 100 milliliter syringe because it's much easier, because in the bigger syringes you can just suck it up. You don't have to load the syringe, and that takes so much time off of, you know, the time it takes me to load these. And as you can see, it's filling up, and you want to make sure they get all of the product. So it's 0.8 when you start off, so you know if you're putting 5 ounces in there, it has to be 5.8, and that is 6. So I did what? Oh yes, I blessed them. Just a little, just a little. You can add to, but you cannot take away. So here I am screwing the lid on, and we're gonna do this one more time for the people in the back. Oh yeah. So I'm cutting it off so I can cut it back on, and it'll go back to what? 0. I'm going to place my container on, and it's going to go to 0.8. That is what the container weighs. I'm going to fill it up with the product. Yes, the product that the people paid for. And I'm going to make sure that that 0.8 is added to the ounces at the end. So I'm going to let it fill up. Yes, I'm going to let it fill up. Because you have to give the people what they want, what they paid for. And this one is going to be what? Come on, give it to them. Give it to them. Yeah. Yeah, we're almost there. We're almost there. Boom. 5.9. Boom. It's not 6, but it's not under either. So yes, you can add to, but you cannot take away. Okay, this is with no oil, so that's what I label it as. So if they order 5 ounces, if you put 3 of them together and it's not 15 or over, it must be over, not under 15, because 5 times 3 is what? 15. Okay, carry on. So this is well, it's not a new color, but if you need liquid pigments, I have them on my site, or you can go back to a video and you can see how to make them yourself. So if you have not checked out my site, please do. I'm sure there's something on there that you need. So that is the proper way to weigh your products. Okay, you have to weigh the actual container first, because if not, you adding the weight into the product, and that ain't go. No, that don't fly with me. I want all my product. Okay, yes, okay. So FYI, the entry for the giveaway is still going on. I don't know, some people forget about things when it's not right in their face, but I said when I get 20 comments under that video, then I will do the video. I think I got around like 12 or 13 under there right now. So the giveaway is still on to win the gloss base or the lash and gloss bundle. So if you haven't entered in the giveaway, go back to the video. I forgot which video it was on, but it says 1K giveaway at the end of the description, the title. So it should be easy to find, about 5 videos back. I'm not sure, don't stop me lying, but yeah, go ahead and enter if you want to win the base or whatever, or I'll give it a couple more days and I'll just go off of what I already have. Hey, I'm not gonna make them suffer because everybody else ain't paying attention and jumping on the boat. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more videos, because you know your girl is gonna push them out. Yes, and remember to be you, because only you can do it best.